Hi everyone, welcome. My name is Dana. I was born and raised in Kentucky in the United States, but now I'm living in Japan. I make videos to help you learn English. Today's episode is for beginner to intermediate level learners. The level is a bit lower, so I will speak slowly. In this series, I will teach you how to explain Japanese culture and words in English. If you have friends or coworkers from other countries, this video will be very helpful. Let's get started. Today's topic is explaining Japanese food in English. We will talk about 3 foods today: Oden, Okonomiyaki, and Natto. First, let's try to explain Oden in English. Oden is a hot soup with many different ingredients inside. The most common ingredients are boiled egg, daikon radish, and different kinds of fish cakes. The soup in Oden is made from salt, sugar, mirin, soy sauce, and stock. About the word mirin. Many people understand mirin in English, so we don't change this word. But the pronunciation changes. Some people say mirin. You cook the soup for a long time so the flavors soak into the ingredients. If the flavors soak into the ingredients, it tastes better. The soup in Oden tastes salty, savory, and a little sweet. Sometimes you add spicy mustard to make it spicy. Oden is usually eaten when it's cold. You can find it at convenience stores or Japanese restaurants. Let's go to okonomiyaki next. Okonomiyaki is a savory pancake with many different ingredients. The word okonomi means whatever you like. Yaki means to grill. So this food means grill whatever you like. There are many different combinations of ingredients. The main ingredients are cabbage, egg, flour, stock or water, and meat. The toppings are very important. One of the main toppings is okonomi sauce, which is a dark, thick, and sweet sauce. You also put mayonnaise, seaweed flakes, and fish flakes on top. Okonomiyaki is always eaten with a lot of toppings. The taste of okonomiyaki without toppings is very mild. But when you add the toppings, it gets a complex flavor. It is sweet, savory, a little tart, and spicy. If you add mayonnaise, it will have a rich flavor. The texture is crunchy and sometimes chewy. Okonomiyaki is eaten at restaurants, and it is also popular to make at home. The last food is natto. Natto are fermented soybeans. They are mixed with a salty sauce and spicy mustard. The beans are stuck together, so you mix them before eating. You put natto on top of hot rice and sometimes add a raw egg. Many people eat natto at home for breakfast. It is not something you usually eat at restaurants. Natto has a savory, earthy, and slightly bitter taste. It is slimy and sticky, so some people don't like it. It is an acquired taste, but it is good for your health, so you should try it. That's all for today's video. Now you can explain Oden, Okonomiyaki, and Natto to English speakers. Thank you for watching. See you next time.